Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from permutation and combination. The question is three persons enter a railway carriage where there are five vacant seats. In how many ways can they seat themselves? So we have say three persons A, B and C and there are five vacant seats. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to find the number of ways they can seat themselves. Let's talk about person A. Now, person A has five options, right? So, he could be seated in five ways, right? So, he has five options. So, person A could be seated in five ways. Next, after A sits down, we go to person B. B will have four options because one is already occupied by person A. So, B is left with four choices. So he could be seated in four ways. Likewise, C could be seated in three ways. So A in five ways, B in four ways, and C in three ways. So therefore, the total ways in which they all could be seated would be 5 into 4 into 3, which is equal to 60 ways. So A, B and C could be seated in 60 different ways.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.